All eyes are on the pitcher's mound. Give your players a solid start with a brand new installation. Today, we will be building a pitcher's mound. Follow these steps to build the same professional mound on your field. The tools you will need for this project are shovels, power tamp, hand tamp, laser level, 24-inch level, field rakes or screening rakes, 100-foot tape measure, can of turf marking paint, water hose and nozzle, hammer, rubber mallet, framing square, 150-foot string line, 8 stakes, a mound gauge. Materials needed are pitching rubber, 6 to 7 tons of mound clay, 192 clay field bricks. For this project, we are using the Marco Clay Ready Kit with an additional 6 tons of ready mound clay. Step 1. Layout and site prep. Hammer a stake in at the far corner of second base. Tie a string line to the stake and run it across the field to home plate. Hammer a stake in at the apex of home plate and tie off the string line. Confirm string line is tight. Measure 59 feet from the apex of home plate and stake. This is the center of the pitching mound. Measure a 9-foot radius from the stake and paint a circle. Remove the center stake and set the string line aside for now. Step 2. Excavation. Excavate the marked out area 2 to 3 inches deep below the grade of the field. Edge the perimeter with a shovel. Level out the excavated area. Step 3. Installation. Lightly spray the excavated area with water. Evenly spread a 1 to 2 inch layer of ready mound over the entire base. And tamp firmly. Lightly spray this layer with water. Repeat this layering process until the edges are filled and level with the turf. Return the string line and set stakes at 60 feet and 63 feet from the apex of home plate. These mark the front and back edges of the plateau. Measure 5 feet across, centered on the string line, and stake the corners of the plateau. Remove the stakes along the streamline. Your plateau should measure 5 feet by 3 feet. Now stake the string line at 60 feet 6 inches from the apex of home plate. This is the front and center point of the pitching rubber. Using the laser level, set the height of the 5 stakes on the plateau at 10 inches above home plate. This is the finished grade of the plateau and pitching rubber. Add a 1 to 2 inch layer of ready mound over the plateau. Tamp firmly and spray with water to form a solid bond. Continue adding 1 to 2 inch layers, tapping firmly and spraying with water between each layer until you reach the base grade for the pitching rubber. In our case, we're going to use a 6-inch pitching rubber, so we will establish the base grade 6 inches below our finished grade. Our pitching rubber is a 4-way model, so we first pack the inside with ready mound clay to keep it sturdy and in place. Set the pitching rubber on the plateau using the stake as a center point. Making sure the pitching rubber is properly placed is a crucial step in building a pitcher's mound. Use the laser level to confirm the pitching rubber is 10 inches above home plate. Run the tape measure from the apex of home plate to the front of the pitching rubber to ensure the distance is 60 feet 6 inches. Confirm the pitching rubber is level, as well as square with the string line. Field bricks should cover all high wear areas of the pitcher's mound. A landing area extending 7 feet from the edge of the plateau and creating a 6 foot by 4 foot rectangle is what we recommend for regular play. Use your mound gauge to establish the slope of the landing area. Starting from the front edge of the plateau, the grade should drop 1 inch for each foot. To prepare this area for field bricks, spread a 1-inch layer of ready mound over the landing area. Then tamp firmly and spray lightly with water. Continue this layering process until the plateau and landing area are all 3 inches below the finished grade. When tamping around the pitching rubber, use the rubber mallet in place of a tamp. This will help keep the pitching rubber securely in place and avoid accidentally bumping it with the tamp. Once your clay base is set, grab your ready bricks and fill in the plateau and landing area. Make sure to keep bricks tightly together. After your bricks are set, the remaining stakes can be removed. Spread a light layer of ready mound around the perimeter of the ready bricks and tamp. This will help keep the ready brick layout in place. Spread ready mound over the bricks. Then tamp and spray them with water. Confirm height of the plateau with the laser level. Confirm slope of the landing area with the mound gauge. Add ready mound as needed to achieve the finished grade. Once your grade is correct, fill in the remaining areas of the pitching mound with the layers of ready mound. Evenly slope the back and sides of mound to the turf. Tamp and spray each layer with water. Step 4. Finishing touches. Spray the entire mound with water once finished. Tarp the pitching mound when not in use to help keep consistent moisture levels. That's it. Be sure to download our step-by-step instruction sheet for additional info and assistance in your build. Play ball!